Hey James, it's Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Here's that custom video I wanted to create for you showing how you can start to increase traffic to your website and start boosting your sales numbers online. So with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to jump right into kind of what it takes in order to do that. And we're going to go step by step. There's going to be a lot of information. So sit tight, bear with me, and listen carefully. So with that being said, we have your website. First things first. Great looking website. I see you have another company that did it, Creative Studio. Nothing wrong with the website at all. The only thing I really see that is an issue, other than a few things, is actually the content. You guys don't have a lot of content on your website, and Google loves content. They want to see words all across your website, not just any kinds of words, but keyword-rich words. So a good example of that would be, one of your competitions in the area who's actually top dog right now in the Twin Cities. And that would be Painting by Jerry Wynn. You see right here, he's got a whole bunch of content right into his website, all across his website as well. There's all kinds of content. He's got the reviews, definitely something you guys probably want to have on there. Some testimonials for your customers. I noticed you guys have a testimonial section, which is right here, which is great. Definitely would keep those in there. But for the most part, it's just a one-page build. So whoever built this didn't really put a ton of effort into it. Unfortunately, which is sad to see. And not to mention, too, this not secure SSL. Definitely something you want to have. If people are submitting their contact information on your page, that they want to make sure that their information is safe and private online. So that SSL is a huge one I would recommend you guys go out and do. I think it's like $100 a year or something like that. It's pretty cheap to go out and get. But in regards to the website build, definitely want the content. And one way we can tell that you guys need more content, more keywords, is actually going into a tool right here like this. This is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that we use. There's free software out there, but this is one we like to refer to. This is just a good guideline. It's not 100% accurate, but as of right now, it shows that you guys actually have 0 organic keywords on your website, 2 backlinks, and 2 referring domains that are hosting those backlinks. And I want to show you here, if we compare you to your top dog in the area, which is Painting by Jerry Wynn, what is possible once you start adding backlinks and organic keywords and how that increases your traffic. As of right now, you guys are getting 0 traffic. And like what happens once you start to add backlinks and referring domains that host those backlinks as well as the keywords. These guys have almost 1,000 keywords. So as of right now, that's generating them roughly 240 organic traffic every single month. That's not including paid advertising. That's just people finding them at the top of the Google search results, which is the ultimate goal as a business, is to be on the first page of Google. People don't look past the first page. So we want to make sure we're on there, right? So how we do that is we go in, get keywords, get backlinks. I'm going to show you an example here why keywords are important and how we can start to generate traffic off of those keywords. Something like this. This is a phenomenal keyword. This is not something I see often enough. A house painters, right? That's our keyword. That has a search volume of 12,000 searches every single month, and it's an easy KD. KD is keyword difficulty. We want to grab low KD, high volume keywords, and boom, we can rank like crazy. So that's a great one you could rank in because they're only position number 4 for it right now. Another one, wood refinishing near me. I don't know if you guys do that. 2,800 search volume. So just by adding these 2 keywords alone, that's an additional 15,000 people potentially finding your website every single month. And I mean, imagine we capture 10% of that. Your sales are going to start going through the roof like crazy. But so that's just keywords. Not to mention, we also wanted to go over backlinks, right? Backlinks are a very powerful way to keep power to your website. A few examples of backlinks are citations, anywhere like a Yelp page or a Google Business Profile or a Twitter page or a Facebook page or a Yellow Pages. Anywhere that your name, phone number, business name, email address, location is attached to it is considered a citation. And those are pretty easy to get, but we definitely want to have tons of them. What we can actually do, similar to the keywords, is we can compare and contrast. What are these guys getting for backlinks? So we can go in here, and figure out every single possible backlink that these guys have. And we can go out, and if it's a good, valuable backlink, we can actually target the same exact ones. We want to go through every single one of these right here, all 400 some of them, and we want to make sure we've got good do follows and good no follows as well. Do follows are more powerful. I won't explain that. It's a little too much. But regardless, we want to go in and get all the same backlinks that are worthwhile and then more. It's always a numbers game when it comes to online digital marketing. It's a numbers game and a quality game. We want to get good quality backlinks and keywords and just start booming those numbers like crazy. And you'll be amazed on what is possible for you guys. But first things first, highly recommendation, get this website secured. That's considered SSL. That'll be through your domain host. But with that being said, I think you guys already know the value in advertising. As this is actually how I found you guys, was through one of your Facebook posts right here. So you guys are doing great on that end of it. Just need to work on the website. So with that being said, James, over at Twin Cities Painters, again, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I hope you guys found this video useful in any way, shape, or form. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. Thanks, James. Bye.